Really starting to come down now. Wow. Got the shovel ready. So I thought I would get a few things done in Rusty. Get a couple things organized. Wow, this is nuts. Apparently up in by the cottage there in Muskoka, they got 3 feet plus over the last 2 days, and I think it's still coming down. The highways were closed and just craziness. Now it's hitting here for sure. I have to charge this up. It wouldn't start Rusty. It was like really low. I didn't realize how low it was. But I was going to keep that out because I might have to move him or start him again. So I don't need anything to move in there. Of course, the battery's completely dead now. Just had to pack up a few things. I was going to take apart the bed and just get that ready to be transferred over to the next van. So let me put you guys over here. Got my new little tripod thing going. There we go. So the pillows just need to be put on the floor for now. And this is my -9 sleeping bag. As you guys know, I got my mic happening, so hopefully the audio is good for you guys. The last couple of videos I've done with this mic have been great. Like when I actually did my tour of the van to put on KBD Productions TV, it was awesome. The sound was good. And so I was pretty happy about that. Again, one of the biggest problems, not a problem, but it just, again, it's very time consuming when you have bad audio and you got to fix it, or like when Paul and I did the latest cooking review, I used my old mics, which are lav mics. So it's like a little a little recorder that you put in your pocket, and it's got a wire up to a microphone, a lav mic. And when we were eating, like everything was good up until when we were eating. Every time Paul went down to bite his sandwich, his microphone rubbed his beard, and so that really sucked. So luckily, again, you had 2 audio tracks completely separate from each other. So whenever the audio scratched or whatever, I could actually take that part out of Paul's audio, and you could still hear him on my microphone. Not as perfectly clear as having it right in your throat, but right by your mouth. So I guess I can got my pillows kind of good to go. It's December 1st. I forgot to mention that. So welcome to December 1st, and we're getting our first big snowfall. It's great. Well, not great. It's going to make for a good stealth camp coming up, let me tell you. So I'm going to bring this comforter, put that in moose for now. This, I'm not sure. I don't think I'll be ever using this again. At Tor, this thing was actually hooked on the bed. I didn't know, and I was trying to pull it up, and it just felt like it was adhering to the actual cot, and so I pulled it harder, and then it all ripped. So, oh well. And again, I need to get a new battery for this when I rip that off. If you guys have any tips on how to get that thing off the wall without destroying anything, I guess it doesn't really matter anymore. Doesn't really matter to me. Okay, so that's ready to be moved. And I'm not sure if I'll be able to collapse this bed in this van at the moment. Okay, so I can take this lighting down. This is the old dead battery. This lighting came in super handy. If you guys remember, there's a bunch of times where it's nighttime and I was in full stealth mode, but I still needed to videotape, let's say, trying some new item. And we were this thing breaks really easy. Wow. It just does not like being bent when it's cold. Or maybe it's meant to break at that spot, because it's like every so many inches, or maybe every inch, it has a break in it. I just didn't notice when I was actually putting this thing together. Okay, so my lighting, I'm just going to leave it on the bed. I don't think I can put this without taking it right out of the van. So I've got my carrying case for it, so I'll just leave that on there and we'll move it another time. So I'm guessing the rest of this stuff can just stay for now. I have nowhere to put it, but I'm gonna get the van ready for another stealth camp coming up. So I'm definitely going to be putting that. I need a pillow, I think. I'll need my pillow. I'm not sure if I grabbed the right keys. I think I did. Good. So look at all that snow that came in already. Jeez. So we'll just leave that for now. Carol's gone up to see her dad. I had to edit this morning, get some stuff done. So I'm going to leave this in here for the next stealth camp, because although this is pretty warm, I think I need an extra one on top. I'll have the batteries are all charged up. I do have a pillow back there, so I didn't really need to take that one. One of the things I should have left in Rusty when I was doing the tour was my fan. And I like this fan because it has that light on it. And it's been a while since I've tried it, so I don't know if it's... Oh, good. It's still working. Wondering... Oh, we're at 50%, so I should probably bring it inside. But yeah. Full batteries. I only charge up to 94, 95. They say it's not really good to charge your batteries up to 100% every single time. And so I'm just going to leave it at that. I've got fuel for my next stealth camp. I don't need this. This is the lighting kit that I bring to Paul's house. And that's a light ring that I don't need to bring to Paul's house, or that I brought to Paul's house. That cable belongs here. Got my light. Oh yeah, I had to put a new battery in my thermometers. And again, I bought an extra one to put in here, one to put in Rusty, but it's only 19 degrees in my pocket anyway. But now I don't have to switch from, like, take it off the wall every time I want to tell you guys what the temperature is in Fahrenheit. And again, that's saving me time in editing, so I don't have to, you know, ask Siri to convert temperature or Celsius into Fahrenheit. And so there you go. So that's funny, because I thought, oh, I must have pushed it. There we go. That's another problem too, is the button sticks out the back just enough to, if I just touch it, it'll, now of course it doesn't do it, but it's 59 degrees, but it's going to get colder. It says on my app it's 0 degrees Celsius, which is 32. So that's just going to keep going down, as you can see. But we'll put this inside, charge it. And I can put my lighting kit back in the garage. This is good to sit on. This is, what is this stuff? I think this is the stuff that you put into the toilet. Put that away for now. I think everything else is fine. So yeah, we are talking with a company that's going to be putting in our windows. So I'm really happy about that. Get that done. And again, I think we're going to put a window here, a window at the back. Again, on their website, they actually had a window, a long skinny window here, and then another one right here. So when you have your kitchen galley and the door is closed, although you have we're going to put a window here, when you're in the galley, you can see out this window and the window right beside it. So that will look great. I don't think I can carry all this. We'll have to do a couple things at a time. I just don't want more snow in there. I'll put this in my production stuff. Look how much snow has accumulated. It's only been probably been an hour. This doesn't need to be plugged in anymore. It's fully charged, so I can put this away. Gotta get my gloves next. Jeez. That's another thing about this microphone, is I know it's on me, so I don't have to talk louder knowing that the camera's inside the van. There we go. Stay. Hey, Sonny. You don't want to be out there. All right, guys, that's all I can vlog today. I got to get this edited out to you. Happy December 1st. Let me know if you live in a snowy area, how much snow you've gotten already this year. It looks like this is probably going to land, stay until the spring. I don't think it's going to melt again, but fingers crossed. And I hope someday real soon, it kind of stopped coming down heavy. That's good. Hopefully in the near future, I'll be able to get a bunch of snowstorm type stealth camps, probably in rural areas and urban areas, and when I'm camping and when Sunny won't come. She doesn't like the van, but she likes to make noise, let me tell you. So stay tuned to those videos, and thanks for watching this one, and have a great day. Talk to you. Bye.